So Rode has the VideoMic Pro Plus. This thing has been around for a long time, but it's still one of the best video microphones you can get. I mean, just to be able to talk to it like in any way, it picks up my voice so perfectly. It's got like the perfect kind of wind muff on it as well to just kill any wind noises that's out there. So it has a really good like springiness to it to make sure it's not going to be bouncing around making any noise. It's also got some controls on the back. Now, specifically right now, I'm using this with a Rode microphone so I can be wireless with it. But that's the cool part is you can use this with other wireless mics. These are the settings that I use in the back. So it's perfect for how I use it. I use this mic all the time. It sits right up here. So whenever I'm filming videos, it could sit up there, maybe push it out just a little bit, but so you could see it, and it just has that perfect directional sound. So this thing still holds up, and it's gonna hold up for a lot longer. If you're looking at this maybe on the fence, I highly recommend this microphone. You will love it, and thanks for watching.